Hey there, foodies and savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to link your Amazon Prime Visa to Grubhub. If you're an Amazon Prime member with a Visa card, this is a game changer because it unlocks free Grubhub Plus membership, giving you unlimited free delivery on orders over $12. Imagine never paying extra for that late-night pizza again. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First things first, make sure you have an active Amazon Prime account and your Prime Visa card linked to it. Head over to the Grubhub website or open the app on your phone. Log into your Grubhub account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a section called Perks, Benefits, or Linked Accounts. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to connect with Amazon. Click on that and follow the prompts. It might say something like, Link Amazon account. Now, you'll be redirected to log into your Amazon account. Enter your email and password, and make sure two-factor authentication is handled if it's enabled. After that, Grubhub will ask you to confirm linking your Prime Visa. Double-check that your card is associated with your Prime membership. If not, you might need to do that in your Amazon settings first. Once linked, verify everything by checking your Grubhub profile. You should see a confirmation that Grubhub Plus is now active. To test it out, place a small order and watch for the free delivery perk to apply. Easy peasy. One quick tip. If you run into any hiccups, like accounts not connecting, ensure your Amazon Prime subscription is current and your app or browser is up to date. Sometimes, clearing your cache or trying a different device does the trick. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy discounted eats and seamless delivery. This simple link can save you money and time, so give it a try today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.